Unlocking bullet trajectories, Peter Chu first formula. Traditional bullet trajectory analysis often falters when shooter height is unknown. This limits accuracy, especially in complex scenarios. Introducing a novel formula, eliminating the need for shooter height. By analyzing 2 bullet holes, we can estimate the distance between towers. This breakthrough enhances crime scene reconstruction, improve accuracy in trajectory analysis, even without knowing the shooter's height. Ready to revolutionize your forensic investigations? Download the full research paper on link https://papers.sasarn.com/sol3/papers.cfm?abstract_ID =473757.